How to recover Facebook account without email and phone number. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose from Create Login and Delete. Without further ado, let's dive right into the video. First, launch any browser on a device. Using the search bar, type in Facebook Support Team Contact and search for this website. Now from the result page, tap on the first link of Facebook Help Center. Now tap search icon at top of the screen and delete this. Now you need to simply type in support inbox. Once you type in, search for this. Now tap three-line icon at top right corner and a menu appears, where you have to scroll to the bottom and tap support inbox. Now simply enter your mobile number or email and the password. So since you don't have access to your phone number or email, you need to enter your name where it asks for your phone number or email and leave the password blank and click login. Here you can simply enter your email or username and tap continue to find your account. From the list, simply choose your account. If you don't find, tap I don't see my account. Here you can enter your friend's name to find your account. Here are different ways to log in. You can get code or link via email, get code via Facebook notification, or enter password to log in. As you know that we don't have any email or Facebook password including phone number, so what you can do is simply exit from this page. So simply you need to uninstall Facebook application and then try installing the Facebook Lite application. After that, tap on install button and once it is installed, you need to follow the same process. And after that, you will simply recover Facebook account without email and phone number. That's it. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.